pipe bulging.
अभी कितने पे है
So
वो?
camera end is how much?
Camera and 580 plus 40, 620 something.
620. You try to remove the motor.
Motor
Yeah,
came
we
out.
removed.
Motor came out.
Motor is not there inside.
No, no, motor is there.
It's
Now is there.
Now it's there.
It will come out.
Yeah, it will come out.
No problem.
No problem.
Because we
Okay.
have put it above the bulge.
Above-
like this
above the
bulge, right?
bulge.
So above that we have kept the motor now.
Some 30
Okay.
feet short we have made.
30 feet we have
Now,
removed
when you kept it like that,
8 months.
8 months back.
before that, how many feet is there? You cut the pipe, anything?
Yeah,
Yes.
we have that pipe over
30
there.
feet.
How much you cut it?
28, 30 feet.
30 feet.
30 feet you cut it. So 30 feet up is there now. 30 feet means 620. 620, 650. Bore will be 700 feet.
Around
50 feet gap will be there.
that.
700 feet borewell.
Correct.
Okay. Now show me that video.
The problem is we have lost the video.
Delete it.